Hello, everybody. It's Michael Lutzmann again, one of the managing directors of the Opimian Wine Club, and it's time for another episode of Cooking with Michael. What you're seeing here is a most incredible T-bone steak that came to me from Montreal in this shrink-wrapped bag, and that was in a cooler that had dry ice in it, so it was rock solid when it arrived from Montreal here in Kitchener-Waterloo. This is our new relationship with Le Maitre D and Sommelier. They are purveyors of fine meats, and I can tell you from experience that they are indeed fine meats. So I've got this one. I had it in the fridge overnight so that it was thawed, and now I've got it out on the counter for 20 minutes so that it will get to room temperature and therefore cook a lot more evenly. It's going to be a nice simple meal tonight with that beautiful steak. I've got some truffle oil, which is optional, but I love putting that on the steak before it goes on the grill. I've got salt and pepper. They make fun of me at the office that I always have asparagus in my episodes, but it's asparagus season in Ontario, so that's what I'm doing. I actually have some leftover potato dauphinoise, and I'm going to be using that again tonight so to be my starch on the side. And this is all pairing with this incredible online only for C306, the Amarone from Monte Castellon. And look, it's a numbered bottle. They've only made about 2,500 of these bottles. And it's a 2018 Amarone. And I'm really looking forward to this because it's going to pair wonderfully with this gorgeous steak. So I will get the grill heated up. We'll get this at room temperature and we'll start cooking. Okay, so here we are at the grill. I've had this preheating for about 20 minutes as well. The steak is at room temperature as I suggested. I've got the left side at high because I'm going to sear the steak 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Then I'm going to move it over to the low side and close the lid for about 5 minutes to get it, because of the bone, it takes some more time to get it up to rare. We really like our steak rare here. So here I go. I'm going to put this 28-ounce steak on the grill, and I'm going to sear this on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to close the lid after that and have it on the slow side. Okay, thanks. See you in a minute. All right, so as I said, we did 2 to 3 minutes searing on the left side, on each side of the steak. As you can see, there's a beautiful sear on it now. Then I moved it over to the low side of it. I kept it all on and I closed it. And it actually took about 10 minutes to get to this because it's such a thick steak. And this is an instant read thermometer. If you don't have one, get one. They're not expensive. And I want this to be about 125 to 130. And it'll be rare in, and don't measure too close to the bone. So there we are. So now the hard part's going to be is waiting for the 10 minutes that we should. I'm going to take this inside and I'm going to cover it with foil and let it rest. And what that's going to do is let all of those juices work back into the meat. So we'll see you at plating. And voila, a gorgeous dinner for two with steamed asparagus. That's got some Parmesan and some truffle oil on it. Grilled T-bone steak. And that's potato dauphinoise. It's Gruyere cheese, it's cream and garlic and thyme. My mouth is watering. I cannot wait. I'm going to slice this up and put it on 2 plates for my wife and I. Check out Le Maitre D Sommelier. Check out Le Maitre D Sommelier. It's on page 32 of C306. They have incredible meats and seafood on their website, especially for Opimian Wine Club, because you're a member. And check out this wonderful Amarone from Valpolicella from Monte Castellon. This is a 2018, absolutely gorgeous, and pairs so beautifully with this incredible menu. Cheers, everybody. Best job in the world.